Okay, now we're in the desert. We're going to release. Nobody around. Ah! Ooh, snake hole. There's a couple of them. Yeah.
First, loosen this bitch.
I would just lay him down. I would just lay it on its side and let him crawl out.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, you can back up. You got zone.
Well, I'm videoing, so I can.
Here we go.
No, just let him crawl out. Crawl out. See, he's not,
Oh.
Is he coming out?
He's got his head. He's sniffing.
Is he?
Yep. Here he comes. Here he comes.
There he goes. Nice.
Watch it. He went back in.
Did he go back in?
Yep. Went back in.
Because I can't really see on the phone the glare from this side, but...
You can come on this side, sugar. Come on this. There he goes. There he goes. Woo! He went back in. Here he comes again. Oh, he's not happy. He is so pissed. All right.
Yeah, we're back in.
Back up.
I'm back in because he's looking. Yep. Go on, go that way. There you go. Good job.
Look how big he is, people. He is not small.
Yeah, I'm okay. Yep, I got the sign. I can't even tell if my camera's getting them because of the glare. Alright, so he's released. He's gonna go find a hole. Okay, let's grab the bucket before he comes back. Ooh, yeah, okay. You're going on about your business. Alright, we're good.